If money feels confusing, overwhelming, or impossible to track as a freelancer, you're finally in the right place. Welcome to BudgetBoss, the channel made for freelancers, remote workers, creatives, beginners, and anyone earning irregular income. If you want simple systems to manage your money without stress, without confusion, and without feeling lost, this channel is for you. Freelancers don't get a fixed salary. Our income goes up and down, constantly. Some months feel amazing, other months feel terrifying. And most budgeting advice online, it's made for people with stable paychecks, not for people like us. That's why I created BudgetBoss, to teach money in a way that finally makes sense for your lifestyle. Here, you'll learn how to budget with inconsistent income, how to build a buffer fund for slow months, and how to stop feeling broke between projects. We'll cover how to build simple money habits that stick, how to raise your rates, how to track your money weekly, and how to grow financially as a freelancer or beginner. No jargon, no complicated formulas, just simple, practical steps you can follow immediately. BudgetBoss is all about clarity, calm, and control, because money doesn't have to feel messy, and your freelance career shouldn't feel chaotic. When you have a simple system for tracking income, saving consistently, and planning ahead, everything changes. You'll feel more confident, more stable, and more in control of your life and money. And if you want a tool to help keep your finances organized, I designed the BudgetBoss Planner, created especially for freelancers and remote workers. It keeps your income, expenses, goals, and habits in one simple, clean layout. So if you're ready to build better money habits, grow your income, and take control of your freelance finances, subscribe to BudgetBoss. Let's make your money simpler, clearer, and more powerful, one video at a time.